the main focus there. So 14. The main focus on number 14 that they're having here is that um, I don't want to use the word basic, but it's more basic. The basic exponent rules. So we have 8x over 2y. And this is very hard to see, but we want to try our best to get these two bases to be the same. So we could do that by saying that 8 is equal to 2/3, because it is equal to 2/3. So now we plug in over here for 8. We have 2/3 to the x power all over 2y. And really all this is multiplication between 3 and x. So this is really equal to 2 to the 3x all over 2y. And now that we have the same bases, we're able to say that this is equal to 3x minus y. Do you see what we did there? Because when you have an equal base, so say we have x to the a power divided by x to the b power, it's equal to x to the a minus b. That's the rule here that we're using. So now that we have 2 to the 3x minus y, this is a lot easier to solve, isn't it? Because we have 3x minus y, and guess what's over here? 3x minus y, and you just plug in 12 now. So this is really just equal to 12. And that's a. So when you see something like this on the exam, you want to try your best to make it the same basis and then use the exponent rules from there. But the major focus is that you're able to make the distinction that 8 is equal to 2 cubed. That's the only way to be able to solve this in an efficient way. Okay. Okay, that's understandable. Yeah.